Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to set up the Vibroacoustic Solutions sound bed. So I have the kit with two 35-watt transducers. So this is one here at the top of the bed, and then there's a second here, and then there's two 15-watt transducers up top, and then two at the bottom of the massage table. You do want to align the larger ones so that the table can close, and so I will show you that. So they are aligned so that the table will close. So I will show you that. So the table is completely closed and it will close. Next, I will connect the large transducers. So I will take the cables, the cords, and I will show you how to connect those. So the large transducer is connected to the amplifier, and it says sub. So you want to connect that first one, large transducer, where it says sub. So after connecting that, you're going to connect the two larger ones together. So you can see here, I have connected this cord here to the other large transducer. So the next step is to connect the smaller ones. And so we have cord here, and you just want to align it to either the left or right, depending on what side. So that is in the right here to the amplifier. Next, I'm going to connect this to this one here, same side, with the connecting cord. So you can see here, this is connected to this one. Next, I'm going to connect this side, the smaller transducer, to the amplifier. So you can see this side now is connected to the amplifier left. And now we're going to connect this transducer at the top of the bed to the one on the lower part of the bed. And now you can see there's a cord that runs from that one to this one. And now we're just going to plug in the power with the amplifier, and we're all done. It's all plugged in. That's it.